Hello guys and welcome to another video being recorded by yours truly Viper JP13, and today we are playing Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. And right now I am at one of my forts and it looks like one of our ships are being there's plenty of ships there. I'm gonna go take them out because last thing we need is them taking down forts. So guys, I have not played Assassin's Creed with you guys yet. And that's probably because I haven't played in the last 2 months. So let's see if I still know the controls. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so that's the shoot. Good to know. Really good to know. Okay. Yep, that's how you use a spyglass. Let's see, which ship do we want to plunder today? That looks like a beauty. I like the songs in this game. I just think they're really good. Guys, if you have any videos of you playing Assassin's Creed, just make sure to send them to me, because I love watching videos. It's what I like to do with my spare time. Hello? Hello? Notice me! Notice me! Boost! Oh my god, that was quick. Oh, well, let's just take advantage of the situation. That's border. That was actually really easy. Hello. I missed. Hello. I didn't miss. Hello. Damn it. Shot my own guy. How about we don't use that? Oh yeah. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. Oh, I got my fists out. Let's see. Whoa. Yep. Yeah. So guys, if you ask for it, there's a chance that I might do the multiplayer, where you have to go around killing your friends and all that. Because we all know the best way to bond is by assassinating. The best way to bond is over a nice assassination. Send to Kenway's fleet, because a brig. I love brigs, because they're nice and strong. You've been promoted to captain, boy. Aren't you happy? Hi. Oh, you're tiny. Oh, look at the little baby ship. Bye. Okay, let's see. Where do we want to go? Oh, what's that? A killer whale. Looks like a good trait. I don't understand why you can't eat the things you harpoon in this game. You have to sell them. Because these guys, they never eat in this game. I'm just wondering, when are they eventually going to starve to death? Unless they eat behind my back. Keeping the turkey all to himself. They go faster. Travel speed. Ooh, there's a lot of cargo here. I would plunder you, but oh, my own fort's gonna take him down. So I'm just gonna. I would plunder you, but I'm in the middle of something else. So bye. I'll just let that fort destroy you. Seems like it knows what it's doing. Yeah, and guys, just to give you a little quick tour 2 of the jackdaw. I've got black tated flags. I've got nearly full hull armor and broadside cannons, and I've got an steering wheel encrusted with rubies. Okay, here we go. Killer whale. Oh, and my harpoon ships, everything's on full, so we can take out anything. Look at the target. It looks so beautiful. But of course, most people would agree with me on this. The worst part about harpooning is when the sharks jump out at you. You can say all you want that doesn't scare you, but I know deep down that scares the crap off you.
Let's get started.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, that's a big fella. Oh, there we go. We're on the way.
You see that, lads?
You see that, lads? I got myself a nice bugger. Let me hit him. I'm sucking at this. Oh, shite. Damn it.
Where is it?
Okay, I know what to do here. Where's the bugger? There's the bugger. Boom! You are not touching me. Boom! Damn it! Boom! Damn it! Okay. Boom! Yes! I was about to say damn it, but... Haha! Okay. I will not get hit by you. Where you at? Where'd you go? Oh, where is he? Oh, there he is. No. Woo! He looks so beautiful when they're dead. They look so beautiful when they died. When they die.
A fine haul today, sir.
A fine catch. Oh, what's that? That's not what I wanted. Craft. I believe we can... No! How about if we let go of the jackdaw? Will it work then? Tell me it will work. No! Why can't I craft? Damn it! Where next? Let's just go destroy some ships. Because you guys will probably get bored by me harpooning, so... And you guys probably just want me to destroy some ships, so... I'll go destroy these guys over here. What are you? Schooner? Schooner. This is gonna be easy. Can't this ship go any faster? Hey, guys. I heard there was a party. I got an invitation. Can you just make some room for me? Guys? Guys, please? Fine, I'll force your attention. Because you guys are being really, really mean. Oh, you're lucky. I can't even... There we go. Boom! We're gonna fight these guys. Boom! I feel sad for you. Boom, done. Done and dusted. Reel him in me trumps. Me fucks your trumps. Yeah. How did you survive that? Seriously. Don't cut the ropes. They're my ropes. I got them for Christmas. We win. Just with a cannon. I feel proud. That's an achievement. You don't get an achievement for that, which is bull, but I will take that as an achievement. send to Kenway's fleet and I'll salvage it later. Where now? Oh. Nah, I don't feel like plundering you. Beautiful. It's like watching the sunset. It's like watching the sunset, but just watching a boat set. Cargo. I'm gonna go collect it. I love it. Ooh. Enemy ships? What kind of enemy ships? Wait, no, damn it! I hate hurricanes. Wait, let's just give ourselves... Yeah, we need to get to land, so... Havana! Havana is our place. Wait, what? Oh, that's a big wave. Yep, sure. Yep. We'll get over this, no problem. We won't take any damage and we won't lose any men, I guarantee us all!
Brace yourself!
Woo! We are the champions, my friends. That's a lot of lightning. Just pray to God that no tornadoes or hurricanes. I don't care. I just don't want any hurricanes coming. 'Cause I really couldn't handle one right now. And also they're so annoying. Let's go. Havana we will go. Havana we will go. Oh, no. I don't want to risk it. Hey, it's done. Look, the stars. Admire the stars, everyone. If you're not admiring the stars, you're missing out on beauty. Cause there's a shooting star. Make a wish, everyone at home. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Okay, which way is the quickest way? Which way? Somebody tell me what to do! It looks like this way will be the quickest. Yeah, this way will be the quickest. Because that way just doesn't even... It'll just go back round. Oh, cargo! Did I just hear what I heard in that song? Did I just hear what I heard? I'll let you buy this time, but only because you're my best man, random person. Good, the song's over. The weird song. Oh, damn it! I think we chose the wrong way. Oh well. Fast travel. Much better than sailing on the 7 seas. Just fast travel wherever you want to go. You'll never have to use the ship again. Okay, we will explore Havana next time. But until then, subscribe to this video and don't forget to press the like button, and I will see you in the next episode of Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Bye!